Hello Kickapoo students, my name is Sydney Marshall.
And I'm Bella Malaya, and we are here to give you the rundown on how to have the best high school experience from two seniors finishing their last quarter at Kickapoo High School.
It is important to stay involved and participate in all school activities because high school goes by so fast.
Over the past 2 years, we have seen a major decrease in school spirit due to the unfortunate pandemic that has struck the entire world.
This week, we have our annual courtwarming dance, which means spirit days, assemblies, dressing up, and of course, attending the dance.
This week's spirit days are Jersey Day, Twin Day, and of course, Pajama Day. It is vital that you participate in these because they are a fun way to get the school hyped and ready for the dance. However, this is not going to be achieved unless everyone contributes. Assemblies are one of the few times we can gather as a student body to celebrate our accomplishments and rally together in a fun way that gets us out of class. These assemblies are boring unless everyone is involved and willing to have a good time.
I'm a member of the cabinet at Kickapoo, and I see everything that goes on behind the scenes to plan these events. It is all worth it when we can get the student body to enjoy it with us. And the same goes for dances. Here's an interview with our 2021-2022 Assemblies Commissioner, Sally Cybulski, to tell us the ins and outs of putting on an assembly. What is one piece of advice you would give to students about assemblies and how to maximize their experience?
One thing I would definitely have to say is come talk to me. Come talk to whoever, I know this is for new students, whoever the next assembly commissioner is going to be. If you have ideas, if there are things you want to see, just come talk to me so we can include the entire student body and see what everybody wants to see. And it's also whenever you're up in the stands, if you guys want to have hype assemblies, it's up to you. I 100% get it because I don't want to cheer whenever nobody else is cheering. I don't want to get loud whenever nobody else is getting loud. But people are so influenced by what your friends are doing and what your other group is doing. So if they start getting loud, you're going to start getting loud. And if those are the type of assemblies that you guys want to have, then it's kind of up to you guys.
We have not been able to have dances in 2 years, and this is our first one back, and we hope that it gives a refreshing perspective to what high school is actually supposed to look like to those who have missed out. Dances are one of the most memorable moments you can have, and it's up to you to make it special.
We hope that you take these pieces of advice and apply them to your life at Kickapoo because you don't realize how fast time flies by. You have to make the most out of it because these are the last few years you can enjoy being a kid.
And as always, go Chiefs!